Defining your brand is crucial, and while I don't claim to be a branding expert, my 15 years of experience in social media have given me some insight into effective branding. Branding itself is a specialized field, often taught in dedicated courses and handled by brand strategists who are well compensated for their expertise. That said, there are 5 fundamental elements of branding that are essential for both general branding and specifically for social media: position, promise, personality, story, and associations. Here's how each element plays a role. Position. This involves defining your target market and distinguishing your brand from competitors. It includes understanding demographics such as age, gender, and location, and identifying what makes your brand unique, your competitive differentiation or value proposition. Promise. This refers to the ideal customer experience from initial contact through to sales. It's about setting expectations for what customers should anticipate from every interaction with your brand. Personality. Your brand's personality influences how customers perceive and describe your brand. For example, Starbucks might be seen as innovative and sustainability focused, reflecting their commitment to both customers and employees. Story. The narrative of your brand shapes all content and interactions. Storytelling is a key component of social media, as it fosters connection and community. Stories resonate with audiences and create a deeper engagement. Associations. These are the connections and imagery linked to your brand. They help build the overall perception of your brand in the minds of your audience. In social media, storytelling is particularly vital as it creates a sense of community and connection. For example, at a marketing conference I attended, Ryan Levesque's Ask Method highlighted the importance of storytelling and how it can be leveraged to engage audiences effectively. In a recent conference, the speaker, a CEO of a well-known digital marketing firm, shared an intriguing insight. People remember characters in stories the most. If you can personify your brand as a character, it can make your storytelling much more compelling. For example, if you're thinking about how to position a makeup artist, consider whether her persona could be likened to a famous character like Madonna, Britney Spears, or Angelina Jolie. When you think of iconic brands or stories like Star Wars, each character resonates differently with people. Some may connect more with Luke Skywalker, while others might prefer Darth Vader. This shows how powerful it is for a brand to have a memorable character. Another effective storytelling approach is letting your customers be the storytellers. User-generated content, UGC, allows your customers to shape your brand's narrative, adding authenticity and personal connection. Finally, consider using associations such as colors, logos, taglines, or partnerships with nonprofits to strengthen your brand's identity and engage with your community effectively.